Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the DVR recordings on your Spectrum Xumo quickly and easily. So first of all, you need to start from the Xumo home screen, and on your Xumo home screen, you just have to simply take a look at the Spectrum TV application. So when you're able to find the Spectrum TV application, you just have to simply open it. Now, when you open the Spectrum TV application, your DVR recordings are connected to the Spectrum account. So make sure that you are also signed in into the correct Spectrum profile first. Now, inside the application, you just have to simply go to My Library section, which will be available in the left-hand side. Now, when you are inside My Library, the very first option that you see is of recordings. So simply select the option of Go to DVR, and inside it you are going to see all of your recorded shows, your scheduled recordings, and the recently saved content. So you will be able to access it from this particular option over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.